What are the common issues in liquid cooling systems? 1. Coolant leakage. 2. Slow efficiency of liquid cooling equipment. 3. Can it be operated without shutting down the system? We are pleased to introduce JPE UQD quick couplings. Specially designed for liquid cooling system applications in high-performance computing HPC and data centers. The UQD standard was originally proposed by Intel Corporation and developed as an open specification under the Open Compute Project OCP. JPE's UQD series are designed to comply with OCP standard specifications. With years of professional experience in the design, manufacturing, and production of quick couplings, JPE's UQD series not only can meet the OCP requirements, but also surpasses benchmark performance, achieving significant advancements in both cooling efficiency and system reliability. To ensure the best and safest conditions for liquid cooling systems, IEC 623-681 standard, Annex GI 15, requires the following tests to be passed: hydrostatic pressure test, compatibility test for hoses and fittings, vibration test, thermal cycling test, and force test. Applications: high-performance computers, data centers. Network switches. Product features: fully complies with UQD design standards and offers easy operation. Double valve quick disconnect design. When disconnected, both male and female ends will seal automatically. Fluid spill volume upon disconnection is significantly lower than the OCP standard limit. Valves made by SS316L, stainless steel, offering excellent compatibility. EPDM O-rings ensure superior leak protection and reduce failure risks. We are proud to introduce the UQD Universal Quick Disconnect Series, which is a tool-free, hand-operated coupling designed for liquid cooling systems. For users, self-sealing quick couplings not only enhances cooling efficiency, but also minimize downtime during maintenance. Compared with traditional threaded fittings, it features a 40% reduction in size and 30% reduction in weight. Allow for more compact layouts, such as piping integration inside server racks while minimizing the stress concentration under vibration. Reliable performance could ensure continuous and stable cooling operation at any times. JPE offers comprehensive services: precise selection, piping, design, quality, validation, installation, training, after-sales support.